Hey, Kokoda, Defender XCore. What is it, Summer?
It's a 19-foot rear club lounge. It's super awesome, couples van, and composite paneling. We're gonna tell you more now. Now that we've done our punchy intro, we just wanna let you know throughout the video, you might hear us just randomly say Defender to each other. And that's because Trevor and I tend to waffle, and that's how we're gonna stop each other. We're gonna keep each other accountable. So don't get defensive if I say it.
At the front of the van, we have the DO35 articulating hitch. So that's full off-road capability. Your handbrake, lots of nice cables, and your breakaway. So that's gonna pull the van to a halt.
What makes the cables nice?
They're just neat. They're neat, and they go in like a sheath to be protected and stuff. It's good.
Yeah, they're pre-done.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a full loom. This is a full loom supplied to us. And this is all done from the chassis, Melbourne made, and all in our factory in Campbellfield. So come and check us out if you're in Victoria.
1600 Sydney Road.
Removable jockey wheel, little storage plate underneath the box here.
And water tap for water, oddly enough.
Yes.
Now, Trevor, holy cannoli, there's no stone guard.
Yeah, our new front bum box. Nice angled shape.
Integrated stone guard.
Yep. Got 2 storage bins either side. This is the diesel heater tank, stainless steel. Still got your 2 9 kilo gas bottles.
But how good does this look? Let's give her a close so they can check it out.
Everyone likes a smooth front box.
But this is really the front box before the box.
And that's for where you put your wood.
Yeah, the wood for the, when you don't want to put wood in your box, you put the wood up here. Yeah.
You got the dual slide outs, which are great. So fridges and, not jerry cans.
Generators.
Generators.
It's close.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't show them the side. There you go. There you go, guys. Check that out. The load storage. This side has the Anderson plug ready for your fridge to connect to. And we use an Anderson instead of a cigarette point now because it just means it won't rattle loose. Cigarette points are fine, but it's a bit better. Around the side of the van, so we've got a full tunnel boot at the front and...
For when your box is full.
And at the back. So all that's all lockable. You got it. This one can be used for...
slide out kitchen?
Yeah, slide out kitchens and things. So you've got a white and orange anti-bug light here. And you've also got 2 white/anti-bug lights above the windows there.
And no checker plate.
Yeah, no checker plate's nice. This is all a Raptor coat. The chassis underneath is black. It's just painted black, same as the box in the front. You can upgrade to have the Raptor coat.
Raptor coated.
And then as Summer said in the intro, this is a composite panel. So there's no wood in the frame for this. It's fiberglass.
Only wood in the box.
And that's the roof, walls, and the floor, so insulated floor. The benefits of the panel is that it's very well insulated.
Super strong.
Very strong, lighter, and quieter. So if someone's having a party, maybe it's summer, normally they're having a party, you can close the door and you don't have to hear it anymore. It's true. You're noisy.
I'm in bed by like 9.
Oh, you're dropping that disco big.
It's true, actually she is. So this is the XCore range. So on the XCore range, you have lots of standard features. One of those being level 4 airbag suspension.
With remote.
With remotes. And so you can level the van, like we're on an unlevel spot right now. We just push some buttons and level it up. So no need for the wheel chocks, fantastic. And then also actually comes with a onboard compressor and air tank, which means you can actually pump up your van tires and car tires because you will deflate them. Corrugated roads, rocks, stuff like that. Beaches.
What about the jam?
Huh? The what?
The jam. Can you pump up the jam? Pump up the jam. Defender.
Defender. Okay, so that's in its own box under there. We've got the access points out here, so 240 volt out, so you can, what would you run off that maybe? I don't know, you can run Starlink off there.
Unless you get the new Starlink Mini, 12 volt, woo!
Ooh. 12 volt points here for charging things there, and then you got your TV mount, so you can move your TV from inside to outside.
With a level, and you will use that to make sure your van's level. This plate here, access to plumbing. Maybe you could put a sticker on it. So I was trying to think of something funnier, but it didn't come out.
Defender. Okay, over here we actually have a tri-fold step.
Are we gonna use that one too?
We're gonna use that one. Tri-fold step, still super sturdy. So, you know, no dramas with bendy, foldy steps, and not difficult to put in or out. So they're still in and out quite easily.
And the reason that we have the triple step is because with the flat floor, the van does have more clearance. So for people like me that have short legs, bad knees, and a bad attitude, you just have the triple step.
Yeah. As we said
Heaps
before,
of storage.
this is the second tunnel boot through here. The door is slightly offset here so that we can have the awning working well.
And we've put a drop down from here, which is a great place to keep your shoes as well. Super cool. Awning.
Yeah, awning. Awning's super easy to use, nice handles, quite easy putting it out. It's about 15 seconds, 20 seconds either way, so quite easy to use. And you can upgrade to an electric awning and just hit a button and it'll come out.
But these are great.
Yeah.
These are great awnings.
Yep.
Yep.
Around the back. So we have the Counter-Strike rear bar on the XCore's standard.
Because you guys kept asking for it over and over and over.
Yeah, so it's great. So you got your integrated jerry cans and quite a good amount of space here to store. Normally it would be like tools and things like that. Previously you might have put wood in there, but actually now you got your storage on the front for the wood.
It's a Bluetooth camera.
Yeah. When we get inside, you're going to see how much windows this van actually has. Like
This is such a cool van. For a 19 foot to have that rear club lounge is pretty spectacular. Oh, the spare. There's no spare back here because it's under here in between our rear recovery points, standard on all of our vans. You just wind this down, spare comes down, and there you go, Bob's your uncle. It also comes with a repair kit as well.
tire repair kit, yeah.
Tire repair, well, yeah, not like a, what repair kit would you think? They knew.
Defender.
Defender.
And under here also is the rear recovery points. If you didn't say that already? So you can get pulled out.
I did say that.
You already said that.
Yeah.
Defender.
4 drop-down legs, each corner, because that makes sense.
So on the roof, it's got 600 watts of solar standard and
300 amp hours of lithium.
yeah, in one single battery. But over here you can see we have 2 battery boxes.
We're generous.
But the reason we have 2 is that if you want to upgrade to have a second 300 amp hour battery, you can just drop it in, wire it in, and you're done. So it's quite simple to upgrade.
While you're down there, mud terrains.
Yep. So mud terrains, Summer's pointing out, is the tires. So you can normally have on your car road terrain tires, RTs. You can get all terrains or mud terrains. Mud terrains are just great tires, very durable, and they handle like sharp things like rocks and things like that a little better. Anyway, and they look really cool.
The poo station, or the wee station, or the poo and wee station. Hoo-wee is what we say in the business. We don't, but rolly. This is a cassette toilet, which is standard in the majority of caravans. We can do dry flush, we can do composting, we can do...
Stop talking shit.
We can do all of the toilets, just ask us and we'll do that for you. Ventilation system for your 28-liter gas and electric hot water system. Plug-in points for your 240.
Yeah, so if you want to run off mains power or generator, that's where you'll plug in, and you've got your smart switches. What is it called? Smart switch, whatever. Safety switch.
Other side of your tunnel boot, pretty obvious. And
we did it.
No vents.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. This is the fridge here. So there's no big fridge vents. So we have worked really hard to eliminate as many vents on the van as possible. So you pretty much only have 1 vent here and 1 vent at the bottom of the door, and then 1 small vent for the microwave or range hood. So
not a lot of places for dust to get in.
Yeah.
We don't like dust.
So we seal the van, all the edges, we seal all the plumbing inside and out.
We're dustist.
So someone's talking about how we fill our water tanks. So normally you have like a couple of round plugs here, and then you normally put your hose in there and just fill it up slowly. These are called a fast fill because they're fast. You plug your hose straight on the end. If you're connected to water somewhere and you stay connected, you just plug that on and leave these off. Otherwise, if you're trying to fill your tanks to head off, then you actually just turn on one of the tanks and you fill either tank from there. It's pretty cool, way faster, easier and cleaner.
We like.
Let's head inside and we'll show you the inside of the van.
Good call. So inside now of our XCore Defender, Trev is doing what he normally does when we get inside. He likes to sit and relax and soak up the sun from all of these windows that we've got here in the Defender. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, Summer.
5.
I opened my eyes this morning. Oh, I mean, damn it. I opened 2 gifts this morning. They were my eyes. Damn it.
What book are you reading?
Mindfulness.
Yeah, you need that.
Yeah.
Let me continue. So, really spacious rear club lounge here. This is definitely an easy spot for a king size single bed. You can get a table inlay cushion, drop this table down, and if you're Catherine, kick Trevor out of the main bedroom so that he can sleep here, so that she can have a nice peaceful sleep. To the left of me, we have this really versatile storage space. So the nice thing about this is if you are camping with older kids and they're out in the swags, this can be a great storage space for their clothes and their items. Alternatively, if you don't want to camp with your kids because they're annoying, you can adjust the shelves to whatever height you want and store whatever you want to in there, because it's quite a big space. And all that down there, great spot for shoes as well.
And there's the power points at the top. So you've got a 240 volt points and 12 volt points on top of the cabinet.
Just here, and that is for the TV mount bracket just on the outside there. In the kitchen, smart space, we've got fans to circulate the air throughout the living area, soft close drawers and doors.
Which are all made for off-road, so you can go on lots of corrugations and your drawers aren't going to be falling apart
Kokoda.
and needing adjustments all the time.
And because we like to give the people what they want, dual slide out bins, one side for recycling, one side for your normal rubbish, or both, whatever you want. The world's your oyster, I suppose. Lots of overhead storage. So for a 19-foot van, you really do get a lot more storage space than you'd think that you'd fit into a van of this size.
You have more storage than you should be taking items, really.
Totally, absolutely. On this van, we've optioned a water filter at the sink. You can get that if you'd like, or if you don't want to, you know what? You don't have to. We're not going to force you. A nice deep square sink. The benefits of this is you can fit a lot of dishes and actually do dishes in there, and it's not going to splash and make a mess. Overhead ventilation for our 3 gas, 1 burner, 1 electric burner cooktop. Mini grill below, and a wine storage just below that, which for some reason people call it an oven. Oven. Yeah. What else we got? A 224 liter compressor fridge, internally vented, so no vents outside, as we discussed before. And I like this fridge because it's got the freezer drawer on the bottom. I don't know. I think it's pretty nifty. 240 volt microwave, and we've put our AC unit in such a clever spot. So now it can get to the main bedroom as well as the living area with this door open. Speaking of doors, real lightweight Perspex door. The reason it's flexy like that is because it is the Perspex. It's not heavy on the frame, it's quiet, and it looks good. Like, it really cleans off the living space.
So much better when she's in there. Oh,
so it is so much better when I'm in here. Speaking of being in here, I will I'll tell you about the ensuite. This is where you do your business. Your dirty business down here, which is your poos and your wees, and your clean business up here, which is your wall-mounted washing machine, washer and dryer, 3 kilo washing, 1 kilo dry. Medicine cabinet here, behind the mirror, mood lighting inside, throughout the van, storage below. And I'm just gonna hop in this way, an incredibly spacious shower with a really nice shower rose. Oh, the acoustics are amazing in here. If we go into the bedroom, so we've got an east-west bed, 1.9 meters long, so it looks short, but it's not. It's a standard queen. We've got controls for the lights to the left of the bed here, well, my right, sleeping left, to control the lighting. Standard fan. We've got 2 wardrobes in here with overhead storage space, overhead hatch, mount for the TV, magazine pocket behind me. Now, you can option on a full length east-west bed, which means it's a king length, so 2.3 meters wall to wall. You would lose this cupboard here, but it really opens up the space. Or if you want to walk around the bottom of the bed as well, the foot of the bed, you can option to have this roomed as well and kind of open this space up. But again, really cool space. The floor is a GUR floor, stain resistant, very durable industrial vinyl. This is our concrete look, looks amazing. That's our vent for the diesel heater. We've got storage here. The diesel heater also has a remote. We discussed that outside with our 5-liter tank. Kick plates. Get your little tootsies right up into the sink and wash your stuff. Storage, storage, storage. Trev, have I missed anything?
Did we talk about the stain resistance?
Yeah.
Wow,
I know.
did.
I was on top of it, buddy.
The screen?
Battery management system.
Yeah.
So we have a Victron battery management system. It is a dual charge. One of the favorite things that we like about it. That means you can charge it from the solar panels while you're driving or the alternator from your tow vehicle.
You mean and?
And, sorry, and. Did I say or?
Oh, yeah.
And. My bad. This screen isn't just pretty with all the nice colors, unless you're colorblind. It's really useful to give you all the information that you need so you can simplify this or get as much information as you want. Control your AC mode, your inverter. So the 3,000 watt inverter that comes standard on this van, you can control that from here, but realistically you just leave it on the AC mode, the van does its thing. Your freshwater tanks, what's coming in, what's going out. Yeah, we just make that nice and handy for you. So, anything else?
This van has so many little intricate bits, we could talk all day about them. But basically, we've built a really good van, lightweight. Once again, you can have single axle, so 3-ton towing, fantastic. Or you can do the dual axle, which is 3.5 ton towing, and have a whole heap more.
Heaps of storage.
Heaps, you just load it up. So if you wanted to go a long trip and take like 5 water tanks or whatever, you will probably want more tow capacity. Go the dual axle and you can have all the water.
I mean, there's already close to 600 kilos of payload on it as it is.
Yeah.
Like you said, you're not going to fill that up.
And this is fully optioned.
Yeah.
Like, you can still add more stuff, but as standard,
It's pretty
it's
wicked.
coming with everything you're going to want.
And we created this van because a lot of people kept asking for a rear club lounge that wasn't 22 foot long. So you're welcome. We did that for you, our people.
And it really does suit 2 types of, you know, people to go away. So it's either a couple, great, or 3 even. A single person, super good.
This for me would be an amazing van. Absolutely amazing van. As a single chick traveling, this would be perfect.
This is not a dating app, okay?
Oh.
But yes, single, no problems. Couple, sure. Or like Mike, our general manager, really loves this for him and his family because the parents can be in here and the older children, so say 14 kind of onwards, they might want to be in swags outside. Swags outside, but if it's really bad weather or if you're traveling and staying for a quick overnight stop, you can drop the table down and have the kids sleep inside. And then they've also got their kids storage for clothes. So very versatile for who it suits for that. But yeah, really cool. Really cool.
I like it. I don't think there's anything else to add. We've kind of showed you.
Once again, these are built in-house, so come and see us if you want to see us, or we can do a video call if you're not so close. Yeah, otherwise, see ya.
XCore, Defender.